Gave up my iPhone XS Max as my main daily phone that I take with me everywhere. And I also had to give up my Apple Watch. So in doing so, I went back to my Louis Vuitton Tambourine Horizon watch. It's their first generation of their smartwatch. It came with a 400 or 500 milliamp battery, so that impressed me. So I dropped a ton of money on it and I bought it, and I've been using it and collecting these watch straps that typically either cost $2.99 or $3.99 a piece, which is ridiculous to even say that out loud. Nobody knows I've been paying that much for these watch bands. I mean, I've been collecting them all over. And I put it back on when I went back to Samsung Galaxy 10s Max or Samsung Galaxy S10 Max. No. This is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I put the watch back on. I figured white phone, white watch strap. Super stylish, right? But I couldn't even get through a whole day on the battery. I just connected it to the phone yesterday. And whatever is going on, the technology and the updates, they're just not syncing up. I'm not happy. So when I'm not happy, what do? I spend money. If I'm gonna go all in on the Samsung, meaning my main phone's Samsung, then I should probably jump aboard a Samsung watch. Full disclosure, this is now the third Samsung watch I have purchased. Never had an issue or a problem with any of them. I love Android Wear OS. I think it looks cool. It's sleek. It runs well. Doesn't run well on this. So I'm looking to change. I'm looking to switch it up. I know I'm tardy to the party. I know this is like last year's model, but I want to include you guys in my overall Samsung experience. Let's go ahead, open it up, take a look, get it started, see how it looks and feels. So, I took a moment and I went and I reviewed in the store the new active sports watch by Samsung. Not very sporty these days. Not very sporty at all. So I decided that's probably not for me. They referred to this as the Mac Daddy of Samsung watches. So since I spent like $4,000 on this, don't tell my husband. He doesn't watch my videos. He doesn't know. Since I spent so much money on this, I figured, hey, however much this was, isn't so bad. How much was this? $349. So that's basically what one alligator watch strap costs. So I feel like I'm already coming out ahead, and I'm probably gonna be a lot happier with it. Let's dive right in. Here it is, front and center, 46 millimeters Bluetooth. I don't think there's an LTE version of this, which is good because I find that to be a $10 a month gimmick that you don't really need, because I go everywhere with my phone. When I don't have my phone, it's kind of an oddity. Long battery, auto fitness and wellness tracking, supports 39 workout activities, swim ready, water resistant, swim ready. So that is some good news right there. It says here what comes in the packaging. We have, let's see if I can read this. Oh, can you read it? It's so little, we can't read this. We're just gonna open up the box and see what's inside. Now, I remember my last Galaxy Watch. I was able to wear it, go to bed, it tracked my sleep, wake up, throw it on the charger for 20 minutes. It would already be like at 100% like immediately. So here it is. Pretty simple, pretty nice, very premium feeling. Let's go ahead and get these things off. That was pretty basic. In the box, we've got a couple boxes in the box. This is the charger, which is still rocking a micro USB. So there is that. We have not upgraded to USB-C. Here is our very specific watch charger. So it goes like that, plugs in, you throw it right there, easy peasy. It's basically how you do it. No fuss, no muss. All right, so there's some extra straps. So let's take a look at those. Let's see what those are. So this is a smaller strap, as you can see. So that's if you have a smaller wrist, which I do not. So we will most likely keep the larger one on there. Thank you for shipping with it, Samsung. I appreciate it more than you know. And this is the wall charger. Let's go ahead and let's do the fun stuff, which is get it set up, see how it looks and feels, and check out some of the features. So the LV watch is coming off, and it's probably gonna get reset and put up on eBay for sale. So if you're out there and you're like, yo, I want a $4,000 Android watch for $2,000, let me know. I might throw in all my watch straps because there's nothing I can do with them, and it's probably like $2,000 in watch straps. It's pretty expensive. So I'm not gonna wear it. So I think we're gonna go all in. Here's our quick start guide. We don't need that. Galaxy S10 Plus, not Max. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so as far as I remember, we got to come up here, jump into our Galaxy department. Didn't look like that. Here we go, Galaxy Wear. I believe this is where we need to be. So I've got the Galaxy phone, the Galaxy Buds, and now I'm gonna have a Galaxy watch. I am going all in on this Samsung. Here we are inside our Galaxy Wear app. What we got to do is just easy peasy, Galaxy Watch, preparing to connect. I'm sure we probably press a button or 2 buttons to get this thing going. All right, so that was the bottom button. Pretty easy. All right, so here it is. It says right here, there's your watch. Download the Galaxy Wearable app, which is where we are. Okay, the Galaxy Buds, which are connected. Now this is a Galaxy Watch, so we're gonna keep that going with the watch. Preparing to connect. Boom, boom, boom. It's like Samsung love. Samsung products are making love to each other. Okay, that's a little exciting, but if you ever wonder, it's how we do it here for the love of tech. Samsung love. It's late. I'm getting a little loopy. I would tell you what time it is, but my watch is probably dead because the thing dies really quick. And I'm really excited to wear this watch. I know it's going to track my sleep and to check that stuff out. So there's a lot of features on this device that I've missed. This doesn't run on your typical Android OS, Android Wear. It runs on Samsung's own little special software for their watch called Tizen. Either way, it's very intuitive, but it's very Samsung-ish. So I'm really eager to see how it now integrates and works with One UI, which is what's on here. Congrats on your new Galaxy Watch. Restore from backup, but I find it's quicker to start fresh when at all possible. So that's what we're doing. Out of the box, this thing came with 92% battery, which probably means I'm never gonna have to charge it for a long time. Looks like we have 2.5 gigs, 1.5 gigs free. So the operating system takes a gig. And now over here, we've got a little bit of RAM. We can connect our Samsung Pay to it. Galaxy Store, it's got some updates right out the box. And notifications, apps, widgets, all that other stuff. So I'm pretty sure this is the watch right out the box. So let's take a look. See, we touched it. So let's go turn clockwise. Okay. So turn to the other way and you're back to your watch face. All right. Now it says turn notification. Your notifications will appear. Okay, so there's your notifications. This is the back key. So up here we've got the back key. All right, we can work with that there. And that shows all the apps you have. So there you go. The bottom one shows all the apps. Nothing too exciting there. There we go. It's like a little control center, if you will. Kind of like on your phone, when you swipe down, you get all your main little settings and connections there. Same concept. So cover your watch and the screen will turn off. So boom, there we go. So that works good. At the movies, you're creeping in the bushes. If you creep in bushes, it's kind of weird. You're weird if you creep in bushes. But if you're in a bush, you cover your watch. The watch is ready to go. You're all done. Enjoy your watch is what it says. Enjoy your watch. And I think I'm gonna enjoy this watch. I've owned this watch. I've owned the Frontier 1, 2, and 3. So now that I think about it, I've owned all of them. And I always sell them to someone. So because I'm doing this Samsung thing right now, I don't think I'm gonna sell this one, not for a while. Pretty excited about it. I think it's important to embrace the ecosystem. If I'm going to be doing reviews, see this, it feels really good. But I feel if I'm gonna do reviews and I'm gonna be proper and correct about it, I should try to douse myself in as much Samsung ecosystem as possible. Now, if Samsung made a computer that I can do all my stuff on, I probably would get that, but I'm absolutely terrified of PCs. So don't try to take away my MacBook or my iPad. I guess the next step is a Samsung tablet. In the description, tell me, what do you guys think about this thing that I'm doing? Going to Samsung here, Samsung there. Next, should I evolve into a Samsung tablet? I want to know what your thoughts are. Go down to the descriptions and share with me what you think I should do. Or more importantly, make a suggestion for a tablet for me. For the Love of Tech is always doing a gift. If you want to go ahead, and in the description again, there's a Twitter link, a special Twitter link at the top that takes you to my beautiful Twitter account, and there you will find a pinned comment that will give you information on the upcoming. Take the information, absorb it, share it, spread it. For the Love of Tech, thanks for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you really love the video, you just think, hey, I'm a funny, silly little guy, maybe consider giving me a subscribe. If you think this video is really cool, give me a thumbs up. If you're like, this video's okay, give me a thumbs up. But if you're like, this video is horrible, it's the worst video I've ever seen, then and only then can you give me a thumbs down. For the Love of Tech, thanks for watching. Till next time, namaste.